with sheep. So it's got 10 sheep ticks, which is quite being it is very hard to get rid of. If you plough it, if you try and dig it up manually, the rats underground will grow again. If you try and, I suppose, plough it up, which is very costly, very labour intensive, economically really not viable in this kind of area, then there's a good chance that the spores will grow again and can grow in the Bracken community again in a short period of time. The third method used was actually chopping the fronds off. That doesn't work either, it grows from below the ground. And the fourth method tried a few years ago was the EC directive in Scotland and parts of northern England, whereby if they got rid of bracken on the, I suppose, low level farmland, the low level areas, and limed it, the pH would go from acid pH to kind of an alkaline pH, on which in theory you could grow certain types of wheat. However, the Scots, being Scots and whatnot, and being monetary type people, took the money, cleared the bracken, recorded and planted the crops and whatnot, and eventually the bracken came back again. It's kind of environment. So it's the easy, wasteful directive. The final one was they also developed a chemical called azalan, which specifically targeted bracken, but with proviso though, it also targeted, bracken being a fern, other woodland useful ferns if it got in contact with those fern species. It had to be used very carefully. You couldn't really do it manually. You had to get a kind of helicopter or smaller aircraft to spray the area and clear it that way. It didn't really leave residues inside the soil as such, but it did affect, it did built up in some cases in the earthworms and some of the invertebrate communities, so scrapped that. And the last one what I heard was a virus which they actually developed, I can't remember its name now, which actually specifically targeted bracken only, but viruses are kind of unknown factors. They may of course kill the bracken off, but you don't want viral antivirals resting in your soil, but it could affect other vegetation, it could affect animals, invertebrates and vertebrates in the food chain, and that was started kind of a non-starter. So currently it's only cleared really in the lower parts of this kind of area, where the farmer has any kind of chance of getting the field. Over there it's cleared in those fields, but just go down the way on the corner there where the bend is, the bracken encroaching on that land which is technically uncleared by the by the way is River Loon, which starts somewhere in the Howgills and flows out into the Irish Sea at Lancaster and Morecambe. This is called the Loon Valley. And also the master there you get signals for your mobile phones. So what are you going to do then? Well, quite simply,